Good day, beautiful traders out there. You are highly welcome to my channel once again today. Today I am going to share with you guys another powerful strategy, another powerful tools, another powerful settings that you guys are going to use to kill volatility 75. All right, so I want every one of you to keep on making money from this market. So that is why I keep sharing information that is very, very useful and profitable for every one of you that are watching my videos. All right, so today I am going to share this powerful settings and strategy with you guys, because this strategy or this tool is very, very helpful, guys. It's very, very useful. All right, I want you guys to really capitalize on this free information that I'm sharing with you guys here, and make something out of it. This particular strategy is very, very simple, guys. All right, it's very, very simple. So I want every one of you to really pay very close attention. Make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end, guys. Do not skip any part of this video. Do not try to be smart and run or do things your own way. All right, always follow my instructions. All right, so this particular strategy is as simple as ABCD. Anyone can make a lot of money trading with this strategy. So with that being said, let's dive into the chart. Let me share with you how this strategy works. And before we proceed, this is purely moving average strategy. All right, this is purely moving average strategies. So I want every one of you to really get this straight. All right, you cannot just hear that this is completely moving average strategy and you think you can do it on your own. Please follow my instruction properly, and if you do not understand anything, let me know. I will throw more light on it. All right, and if you want me to mentor you on how to trade volatility 75 and other synthetic indices successfully and profitably, guys, do not hesitate to contact me via the contact information that will be in the description of this video. All right, I will definitely leave my contact information in the description of this video. Meanwhile, if today is your first time of coming across my channel, or if today is your first time of watching my video, let me officially introduce myself. My name is Olites from Global FX, and what I do here is that I teach and train people how to make money trading synthetic indices. All right, so that is it. So if you are new to my channel, as I said earlier on, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button. And if you're already my subscriber, I appreciate you. All right, I appreciate you guys, and I want you to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload content like this, you will be among the first that will be notified that I've uploaded another helpful content that will enhance your trading. All right, so with that being said, guys, let's dive into the video. Let me share with you how this strategy really works. All right, it's very, very simple, guys. It's very, very simple. So all you just need is to pay very close attention, follow my instruction properly, and every other thing will fall in place for you. All right, so now this is how this strategy works. All right, whenever this yellow moving average crosses the red, all right, whenever the yellow moving average crosses the red moving average, that is the first confirmation, guys. First confirmation. All right, you wait. All right, you wait patiently until the yellow, now if the yellow crosses this black, all right, that is the last confirmation, guys. What we need to do whenever you see that the yellow has crossed the black is for you to wait, probably where you see the crossover between the yellow and the black. The market has gone this far. Just wait for the pullback, guys. Wait for the pullback. Once the pullback happens and retest on that yellow line and start going back up, just as it happened here, guys, you open your position. You stay on that position until until the crossover happen again. All right, until this yellow line crosses the red and the black again. That is when you will exit. Or whenever the red line the yellow line crosses the red line, you exit. Don't wait for the yellow line to cross the black again before you exit. I believe this is very, very simple, guys. I believe this is very, very simple. So I want every one of us to be making money. That is why I keep uploading this type of content. All right, so if you love this content, guys, I want you to like this content and give it a thumbs up. Okay, and also share this video with people that really need this video, so that they will be trading as you are doing. And the good thing about this strategy is this: look at this place. All right, look at this place here. You will agree with me that the market is consolidating in this zone. All right, the market is consolidating in this zone. This is not a trendy market. Now this strategy now will help you identify that. You see this, so it's unable to give you that full confirmation that we talked about on the initial time. Okay, so that is how you know about that. Now look at another confirmation for sell. The yellow line now cross the red line. That is the first confirmation. Then the yellow line now crosses the black line here. You wait for this pullback. All right, as soon as this pullback happens and retest on the yellow line, as soon as it start coming down, boom, you open your position for sell. All right, you open your position for sell. Where you're going to TP, look at your TP here. All right, you exit the market somewhere here. Sorry, that is where you will exit the market. All right, so that is it, guys. This is very, very straightforward. All right, this is very, very straightforward and profitable at the same time. So I want every one of you to keep smiling to the bank. All right, it is your right to smile to the bank and make like shake your bank manager. It is your right, guys. It is your right. So that is it, guys. Look at another option here. Look at another confirmation. Look at it here. The yellow cross the red and at the same time cross this. You can use this as quick scalping, guys. You can use this as long time trade. All right, all you just need to do is follow my instructions. Make sure whenever the two confirmation has been met, then you wait for the pullback. When the pullback happens, whereby it retests on the yellow line as we stated, then you open your position for whichever direction that you are analyzing the trade from, or whichever direction that the trend is going, or whichever direction that the signal the strategy gives you signal. All right, that is where you will open your position towards. Look at this, guys. There are many opportunities that you can utilize. Look at this, guys. You see how long? You see this, guys. Look at the same kind of pattern we saw the other time. All right, hold on, guys. Hold on a little bit, guys. All right, guys. Look at the same pattern that we talked about before. All right, this particular place, the market does not have any face, guys. The market does not have any face. So all you just need to do is to wait. All right, you wait patiently for the market to have a face, then you open your position. All right, so that is how you are going to make a lot of money trading this strategy. Look at it here again, guys. Look at it here. The yellow cross the red and cross the black are the same. So you wait for this small pullback here, or this small pullback here. As soon as it pull back and start coming down, coming back down, you open your position for sell. All right, look at it. You will be in the market until this crossover here, guys. What are we saying, guys? You will be in the market till this crossover. Look at from this zone to this place. You will be on the market till this crossover, guys. All right, you will be on this market till this crossover. All right, so this is very, very simple, guys. Make sure you follow my instructions properly. Look at it here, guys. Look at it. Look at the yellow crossing the red. Look at it crossing the black. You wait for any of this pullback, guys. Once this pullback happen, you open your position, you roll your market down. All right, so that is it, guys. That is it. So if you have any issue or any difficulties understanding what I explained, or if you have any issues on setting this up, kindly let me know in the comment section, and I will help you out. And if you want me to mentor you on how you can be trading volatility 75 and others volatility and other indices successfully, guys, do not hesitate to contact me. My contact information, my WhatsApp number will be in the description of this video, guys. Just WhatsApp me, and I will also give you the breakdown on how to go about the mentorship program. Meanwhile, continue to look at there are many opportunities, guys. There are many opportunities. Don't come and tell me that you don't make money from this market. I am giving my best to you guys so that you guys be using these tools to make money. Look at this. Look at what we are saying. Look at this here. The yellow has crossed the red here, and the yellow crossed the black. You wait for this pullback, guys. You move. That is it. As simple as that, guys. Look at this. All right, look at it. Look, that is your exit point. All right, so that is it, guys. There are many. Look at it. There are many opportunities. Okay, look at this one now here. All right, look at this here. Look at this. All right, very soon now, the yellow has crossed the red, and the yellow will soon get to this black here. And whenever this yellow gets to this black and cross this black, we wait for this pullback. As the market is going down now, normally without this explanation, most of us will jump into this market at this zone. Right, most of us will jump into this market. It's selling, let me jump in. Wait. All right, wait patiently until this yellow crosses this black line. Once it crosses this black line, by then you will see a retracement of this movement. All right, you will see a retracement back to the same yellow. Then as soon as it starts going down again, you sell. All right, you sell. As simple as that, guys. As simple as that. Please, if you do not understand anything, ask questions. Ask me, and I will be there to answer your questions. And if you have any issues, as I said earlier on, understanding anything, still do not hesitate to let me know. And if you like content like this and want to be receiving content like this, I want you to do me that favor and turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I upload content like this, you will be notified that I have uploaded another powerful and wonderful content that will help you make money from the market. So that is it, guys. All right, let me share the settings with you guys. Once you click on this F icon here, all right, once you click on this F icon, the first moving average, it does not really matter which one comes first. All right, so just add this moving average. All right, click on this moving average. The first one here, the period is 50, shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close, style 4 pixel. I use black. You can use color of your choice, and you click turn. You go back to the F icon again, you add the second moving average. The period is 9, shift is 0, method smoothed, apply to previous indicators data. Do not make any mistake, guys. Style is 4 pixel. I use red. You can use color of your choice. You click turn. You go back to the F icon again, you add the last moving average. The period is 21, shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close, style is 4 pixel. I use good color. You can use color of your choice. And that is it, guys. That is how your chart is going to look like. So if you have any question or any issue, or you are having difficulties understanding what I explained throughout the video or in the video, just let me know in the comment section, and I will do my best to assist you understand more of it. All right, so that is it, guys. That is it. Signing out. All it is. Peace.